Good evening. In the last lecture, we discussed three important sums. Sum of the first n natural numbers, sigma r, is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, that is sigma r square, which is that n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. And third one, sigma r cube, that is sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers, that is n square into n plus 1 square by 4. And what is sigma 1? Sigma 1 is nothing but n. Now exercise 2.6, sum number 10. If S1, S2 and S3 are the sums of the first n natural numbers, their squares and their cubes respectively, then show that 9s2 square is S3 into 1 plus 8s1. Okay, right on. S3, start writing. S3 into 1 plus 8s1. I will directly substitute the values. S3 is sum of the cubes. Okay. So it is n square into n plus 1 square upon 4. 1 plus 8. What is S1? N into n plus 1 upon 2. So this is n square, write down, n plus 1 square by 4. So this is 1 plus, I'll open the bracket because it is 8n by 2, that is 4n. So 4n square plus 4n. This is not at all difficult. So n square into n plus 1 square upon 4. Okay. Now 4n square plus 4n plus 1. Can I say that this is square of 2n plus 1? Yes, it is. Okay. So the next step, it is, I can say, we want in that form, right? Okay. So can I say that this is, just a minute, I'll rearrange the terms in this step only. See, this is 9 n square, isn't it interesting, into n plus 1 square, 2n plus 1 square upon 36. See, original is 4, original denominator, but I have written 36. So I have to multiply numerator also by 9. Now the next step is, this is square of what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. But note that this is nothing but S2. So 9 S2 square. So we have proved that 9 S2 square is nothing but S3 into 1 plus 8 S1. Right now. Now, miscellaneous exercise 2, first question. Select the correct answer for the given alternatives. First one, the common ratio for the GP. Just divide second by first. So 2, correct option is D, Delhi. Second, 10th term of the GP, AR raised to 9. First term is 1 by 4. Common ratio is -2. -2 raised to 9 is negative. Now 4 is 2 square. So it is -2 raised to 7. That is -128. Correct option is C, Calcutta. Third one, if for GP T6 by T3 is 1458 by 54, what is R? So AR raised to 5 upon AR square is 1458 by 54, that is 27. So R cube is 27, R is 3. Correct option is A, Ahmedabad. Fourth, which term of the geometric progression 1248 is 2048? Suppose nth term is that. So A is 1, 2 raised to n minus 1, 2048. See, 2048 is 2 raised to 11. What is 2 raised to n minus 1? In fact, I should write 2 raised to minus 1 here. Why? Because it is 2 raised to n upon 2. So 2 raised to 11 upon 2 raised to minus 1, that is 2 raised to 12. Or you may say 2 raised to n minus 1 is 2 raised to n upon 2 cross multiply. So it is 12. Correct option is C, Calcutta. Sum number 5. Common ratio of GP is 5. Fifth term is 1875. The first term is. Now, first term is A, common ratio is R. So, AR raised to 4 is 1875. R is 5. What is 5 raised to 4? 625. Now, 1875 is 625 into 3. So, A has to be 3. Correct option is A, Ahmedabad. Sum number 6. The sum of three terms of GP is 21 by 4. Their product is 1. Common ratio is. As product is given, we take three terms in GP as A upon R, AAR. Sum is 21 by 4. Product is 1. So A cube is 1, A is 1. So put A equal to 1 here to get this equation. Now you may say, instead of solving equation, can we check the options one by one? Yes, you can do that. Or solve equation to get R as 4, 1 by 4. 4 is given in option C. So C is the correct option. Seventh, sum to infinity of GP. Basically, what is common ratio? Minus half. Modulus value less than 1. So sum to infinity exists. A upon 1 minus R. A is 5. R is minus R. Many students write modulus value. No, it's value of R. So 5 upon 3 by 2. That is 10 by 3. Correct option is C, Calcutta. For sum number 8, 10th term of HP. I hope you know this. First, we consider corresponding AP arithmetic progression by taking reciprocals. So 9 by 2, 7, 19 by 2. For this AP, first term is 9 by 2. Common difference is 5 by 2. So for AP, what is 10th term? A plus 9D, that is 27. So for HP, it will be, it's a reciprocal, 1 by 27. So correct option is A, Ahmedabad. Sum number 9. Which of the following is not true? A is A plus B by 2. Option A is correct. Option B is G is root AB. Correct. Option C, H is twice AB by A plus B. Absolutely right. So D is incorrect. So correct option is D, because in D they say A equal to GH. No. Now 10th one. The geometric mean of two numbers exceeds their harmonic mean by 6 by 5. Arithmetic mean exceeds geometric mean by 3 by 2, then the two numbers are. See, you have to use common sense. You have to use elimination technique. We have already solved one sum of this type, but it is too lengthy. Solution is. So basically, all are rational numbers because difference C 3 by 2, 6 by 5. Now, what is geometric mean of two numbers? Root AB. So 6 into 15 by 2. It doesn't give rational number. I hope you are getting this because it is root 45. Okay. Then 15 into 25. Root of their product is not a rational number. 3 into 12. Root 36 is 6. So why not check for option C? Now what is geometric mean? 6. What is arithmetic mean? 15 by 2, that is 7.5. Yes. So correct option is C. Ninth one, second question, ninth part. Find the nth term of the sequence, 0.6, 0.66 plus 0.666 and so on. So for the given sequence, what is T1? 0.6. What is T2? 0.66, which I can write as 0.6 plus 0.06. Similarly, T3 is 0.666, that is 0.6 plus 0.06 plus 0.006 and so on. So in general, what is nth term? 0.6 plus 0.06, plus 0.006 up to n terms. See, this is not Sn. In Tn, this happens. So these terms are in GP. First term 0.6, common ratio 0.1. So what is nth term? I know this is the formula for sum of the first n terms of GP. But here nth term happens to be sum of these terms which are in GP. So this is 0.6 and so on. Now you may write this as it is, but what is 0.1? 1 upon 10, right? So it is 1 upon 10 raised to n. Actually, this is sum number 5. We have just done sum number 9. Let us discuss sum number 5. We have already done one or two sums of this type. Find the sum. 5 into 7 plus 9 into 11 plus 13 into 15 up to n terms. Now each term, see, this is how we have to write the detailed solution. Each term of this series is a product of two numbers. The first numbers in the product are 5, 9, 13, etc. Right? Then they form an AP whose first term is 5 and common difference is 4. Hence the first number in the rth product is A plus R minus 1 into D, that is 4R plus 1. The second number in each product exceeds the first number by 2. Hence the second number in the rth product is 4R plus 3. So what is rth term? TR, 4R plus 1, 4R plus 3. Open the bracket to get this. Now use properties of sigma notation. We know all these sums. Sigma 1 is n, sigma r is n into n plus 1 by 2, sigma r square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Simplify patiently to get final answer as what? N by 3, 16n square plus 48n plus 41. You can of course check the answer by putting n equal to 1. Sum number 15. Find 2 into 5 into 8 plus 4 into 7 into 10 plus 6 into 9 into 12 up to n terms. Write down. Write the solution. Each term of this series is a product of three numbers. Is a product of three numbers. The first numbers in the products are, or right, the first numbers in the products, the first numbers in the products 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, dot 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 are ARE in AP with, see on the screen, with small a equal to 2, D equal to 2. Hence, first number in rth product. Hence, first number in rth product is, yes, what is that? A plus R minus 1 into D. That is 2 plus R minus 1 into 2. That is just 2R. Right down. See, presentation is important. If you want full marks, and why not? You should try to score as many marks as possible. Okay, so 2R. The second number in each product, exceeds the first by 3. The second number in each product exceeds the first by 3. And the third number exceeds the first by 6. I hope you are getting this. Exceeds the first number by 6. Therefore, see on the screen, therefore TR equal to 2R into what? 2R plus 3, 2R plus 6. Now before you proceed, please check, put R equal to 3. Check whether third term is 6 into 9 into 12. Yes, it is. Okay. Good. Now simplify this. Tell me the product. Tell me the product. Open the bracket. 2r plus 3 into 2r plus 6. So 4r square plus 12r plus 6r plus 18 and so on. See, why do we need TR? Because Sn is nothing but sigma TR. R goes from 1 to n. So tell me, it is 8r cube plus 36r square plus 36r. Just check this. 8r cube, 36r square, 36r, r goes from 1 to n. Now use properties of sigma notation. All these are standard results. You can use them directly. So this is sigma r cube, this is sigma r square, this is sigma r. Simplify. What can be taken common? 2n into n plus 1 to get this in bracket. Open the brackets. Can we factorize this? Yes, we can. N plus 3, n plus 4. Now this is Sn. Put n equal to 1. You get S1. Do we say sum of the first one term? No. So S1 is T1. So 2 into 3. I'm sorry. 2 into 1 into 2 into 4 into 5. That is 80. Is the first term 80? Yes, it is. 17. Find 12 square plus 13 square plus 14 square up to 20 square. See, sigma r gives sum of the first n natural numbers. Sigma r square gives sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. So it has to begin with 1 square plus 2 square. No problem. 12 square plus 13 square up to 20 square can be written as 1 square plus 2 square up to 20 y cube. I'm sorry, up to 20 square less 1 square plus 2 square up to 11 square. Now this is sigma r square. R goes from 1 to 20. This is sigma r square. R goes from 1 to 11. What is sigma r square? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. I have directly put the value of n. Here 20, here 11. Now you will tell me what is the answer. So it is what? 2870 less 506, that is 2364. Now sum number 18. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n terms upon 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 up to n terms is 3 by 22. Find the value of n. Numerator is sigma r. R goes from 1 to n. What about denominator? Actually, in exam, you are supposed to write the explanation. Each term is product of two numbers and so on. But here, we directly write this as, see, first terms in the product 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is r. Then second is first plus 1. So r plus 1. Now r into r plus 1 is r square plus r. Okay. It is 3 by 22. Now how to simplify this? Numerator as it is. So sigma r. And what about denominator? Sigma r square plus sigma r. Adam? Okay. Now it is sigma r n into n plus 1 by 2. It is better if you write r goes from 1 to n every time. See, we have solved similar sum. LHS was the same, I suppose. Okay. Now n is a natural number, so we can simplify this. Numerator as it is, n into n plus 1 by 2. Now tell me, if I take n into n plus 1 by 2 common from denominator, tell me what remains if I take n into n plus 1 by 2 common. Is it 2n plus 1 upon 3? Yes, it is, plus 1. So 3 upon 22. Cancel this. Now reciprocal. So 2n plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is 22 upon 3. So 2n plus 1 plus 3 is 22. 2n is 18. So my answer is n equal to 9. Check this. Sum number 20. If 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 7 up to n terms upon 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n terms is 5 by 9. Find the value of n. Okay. Now consider the series 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 7 up to n terms. Each term is product of two numbers. First numbers are 1, 2, 3. So the first number in rth product is r. The second numbers are 3, 5, 7, which are in AP. A is 3, D is 2. Hence the second number in rth product is, see the cursor, A plus R minus 1 into D. So 2R plus 1. So what is rth term? TR is R into 2R plus 1. Okay. So this is sigma R into 2R plus 1. That is sigma 2R square plus R. What about denominator? Standard formula. This is sigma R cube. So given equation becomes, see, sigma 2R square plus R upon sigma R cube 5 by 9. Sigma of sum is sum of sigmas. Sigma of constant into function is that constant. Sigma of function. Now ready-made values are available. Put for sigma R square and sigma R cube. Substitute the values. What can be taken common? N into n plus 1 by 2 from numerator. Right? Denominator contains its square. So cancel n into n plus 1 by 2. What remains? See the cursor. LCM is 3. 4n plus 2 plus 3 upon 3. What about denominator? 1 n into n plus 1 by 2 is cancelled. So what remains is again n into n plus 1 by 2. It is 5 by 9. Now, what is difficult? Simplification. Sequence series is not difficult. So A upon B upon C upon D is A upon B into D upon C. So you get this equation, quadratic equation. So it has two roots. First root is 5. Second is minus 18 upon 15. But n is a natural number. So naturally we discard this and we consider n equal to 5. So final answer is n equal to 5. Sum number 24. Find k so that k minus 1, k plus 2 are consecutive terms of a GP. So second upon first equal to third upon second, or the ratio of two consecutive terms is constant as the terms are in GP. So that gives me k equal to 2. If for a GP, first term is 27 square and seventh term is 8 square, find S8, that is sum of the first 8 terms. So for GP, what is Tn? AR is to n minus 1. T7 is given to be 8 square. First term is 27 square. but T7 is AR raised to 6. Substitute. A is 27 square. So R raised to 6 comes out to be 2 upon 3 raised to 6. But note that minus 2 upon 3 raised to 6 is also this. So actually we should have considered both plus minus. Here initially I have considered plus. So what is Sn? This is the formula for Sn. Now what is S8? 27 square 1 minus 2 by 3 raised to 8 upon 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. What is 27 square? 729 into 3, that is 2187. But if you consider minus 1 by 3, I'm sorry, minus 2 by 3, this remains the same because 2 upon 3 raised to 8 is the same as minus 2 upon 3 raised to 8. But in the denominator, it is what? 1 plus 2 by 3, that is what? 5 by 3. So the only change is it is 2187 upon 5. Okay. So that's it for today.